Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Somi, and for today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to create this beautiful looking eyeshadow. So the first thing I did after my brows was to apply a orange colored eyeshadow, and I applied it in a way it looks like a semicircle. So I'm going to start from the beginning of my eyes to the tail end of my eyes, and also it's going to be like extended to my brows. You can see how I'm doing that. So the next thing I did after this was to use a brush to trace out my crease, and then I applied a bit more of the dark brown and black eyeshadow, and also doing this in a way that looks like a semicircle, like you can see. So after that, I'm going to use a concealer, and I'm going to put that on my mobile lid and blend it with a smaller brush. I'm going to be patting that till the concealer is like very little on my eyes. That's like till this concealer amount of concealer I put is like very little, and it has spread around where I want it to be. So if you've come this far to this video, do well to click that red subscription button and share this video, like this video, and also leave a comment down below. And above all, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new interesting video. So this is how it looks after I blend the concealer very well. So the next thing I do is to apply a shiny orange and a yellow eyeshadow on that concealer. I wanted the orange to have a different color from the first orange I applied. That was why I had to mix this with yellow. So you're going to keep patting that, just keep patting it till it's like very shiny, and like you can see it really well. So that's how you're going to keep doing that. So after that, you're going to apply your eyeliner, and you're going to just make sure that the wing you create with the eyeliner is very little, just like this one you're seeing on my eyes right now. So once you've done that, you can go ahead to apply or fix your lashes, and to also put a brown eyeshadow on your under eyes as well to complete the eyeshadow look. So after that, that's all for the eyeshadow look, and this is how you will be looking once you just follow this tutorial that I've given to you guys. So that's all for today's video, and see you in my next video or next tutorial video. Bye.